guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to find the area of a rectangle using repeated addition. As you can see, I already have my little rectangle right here, and I have it divided into a lot of different little 1-inch boxes. That's just to let us know that each of these boxes are 1 inch each. So the first thing we're going to do to figure out the area of this rectangle is we are going to count how many little boxes, 1-inch boxes we have in each column. Now, it's important to know that columns go across, so we're going to be counting across, okay? So we're going to start with our column 1, which I'm going to label as C1. So let's count how many little 1-inch boxes we have in column 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our column 1 is going to be 10. So I'm going to write over here, C1 equals 10 inches, okay? Now let's count column 2. Column 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So column 2 also has 10. So we're going to write C2 over here, 10 inches. Alright, now let's look at column 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So column 3 also has 10. So we're going to put C3 equals 10 inches. I'm starting to see a pattern here. How about you? Well, let's continue to see what the last couple of columns have. So column 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So column 4 is also 10 inches. So we're going to put C4 here equals 10 inches. Alright, now let's look at column 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So column 5 will equal 10. So we'll put C5 is also 10 inches. Now all we have to do is add these 5 tens together, and that's going to give us the total area of this rectangle. So let's begin. Let's begin with the first 2 tens. Alright, so 10 plus 10 right here is going to give us 20. So let's put 20 inches here, plus the next 2 tens, 10 plus 10, again is 20 inches. Let's add these two together. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So that's going to be 40 inches. Now we still have our little lonely 10 right here who didn't have a partner. So we're just going to add him to the 40 here, okay? So let's add 10 inches to 40. And 4 plus 1 is 5. And 0 plus 0 is 0. And inches squared. So the area of our rectangle is going to be 50 inches squared, which I'm going to write up here. Area equals 50 inches squared. Now, there's also a second way that we can figure out the area of the rectangle, once again using repeated addition, but this time we're going to be counting the rows, and we're going to count how many 1-inch boxes are in each row. So let's start with row 1, and I'll label that R1. So row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So R1 equals 5. Alright, what about row 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R2 equals 5. Okay, let's look at the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, R3 equals 5. Okay. What about the fourth one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. R4 is 5. Alright, now we're going to go to R5, or row 5. How many do we have in row 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in row 5. Alright, what about next one? Row 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so R6 is 5. Alright, what about 7? Let's count row 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So row 7 equals 5. Okay. Let's look at row 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So row 8 is 5 as well. Alright, let's look at row 9 and 10. And as you can see, is another pattern. They're all the same. So we're just going to count row 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in row 10 as well. And I forgot to add, these are inches as well. So let's put our little inches here. And if you know how to count by 5s, this should be an easy process. So let's count by 5s to see if we get the same total area as we did up here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So once again, we have area equals 50 inches squared. And that is how you can solve for the area of a rectangle using repeated addition. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.